the benefits of having a prepaid debit card are obviously tremendous for tens of millions of people who need that right now. A U.S. bank sponsoring issuing bank has now given approval for Mr. Mason to launch his own co-branded Visa or MasterCard program. Troy's already spent massive resources in having that all lined up. It's ready to go. It's ready to execute and press the buttons. It's not only helping people that need the benefit of a prepaid card, of a secured card, but helping people who are in a catch-22 that they can't get credit, but wait, you got to have credit to get credit, but sorry, you don't have credit. Sorry, have a nice day. No, you don't have credit. You're going to get this secured card. 30 days later, you're going to start building and establishing credit. And we all know the benefits of that one trade line all of a sudden open the door to the next trade line, whether it's Macy's or somebody else. Oh, you think, oh, you got one. Oh, well, we'd like to give you one too. And now you got two trade lines, but you got to get the first one first. And Macy's, nobody ain't giving that first one unless you already got something, which is what Troy is going to supply to tens of millions of people. It's going to put a lot of human beings in a position to move forward in life, do a lot of things that trade line is going to open up for them.
It's just incredible the kind of the potential that this program has. I just, I've never seen anything like it before.